How do I join an Ark server with cross-platform play enabled between PS4 and PC?
Hello there, fellow gamers. In this video, we're going to learn how to join an Ark server with cross-platform play enabled between PS4 and PC. If you've been wondering how to do this, you're in the right place.
What is cross-platform play?
Cross-platform play, also known as crossplay, allows players from different gaming platforms, such as PS4 and PC, to play together on the same server. In the context of Ark, it means that you can have fun with your friends regardless of the platform they are using. It's an incredible feature that truly brings gamers together.
Is cross-platform play available for Ark on PS4 and PC?
Before we dive into the steps, it's important to note that as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Ark did not support crossplay between PS4 and PC. The feature was only available between Xbox One and Windows 10 versions of the game purchased from the Microsoft Store. Therefore, it's important to double-check with the latest updates from the game developers to see if they've added support for PS4-PC crossplay.
How to join an Ark server on PS4?
Assuming that Ark now supports crossplay between PS4 and PC, here's how you can join an Ark server on PS4 1. Launch Ark on your PS4. 2. From the main menu, select Join Ark. 3. In the server filter at the bottom, change it to Unofficial PC Sessions if you're looking to join servers hosted by the player community. 4. Search for the server you want to join, either by its name or by scrolling through the list. 5. Once you find the server, select it and press Join.
How to join an Ark server on PC?
For PC players, the process to join a server would be 1. Start Ark on your PC. 2. Click on Join Ark from the main menu. 3. Set the server filter to Unofficial or Unofficial PC Sessions. 4. Search for the server you wish to join by typing its name. 5. Once you've found the server, click on it and hit Join. That wraps up our guide on how to join an Ark server with cross-platform play on PS4 and PC. Remember, the key to cross-play is both the game and platform companies supporting it. I hope you found this guide useful. Happy gaming, everyone! Note: this guide is based on the status of the game as of September 2021. Always check the latest updates from the developers for the most current information.